about our best-selling and multi-awarded product called Salveo Barley Grass. One of our missions as a company is to save people's lives. Hence the name Salveo, which is a Latin word meaning to be well or to be in good health. SBG is 100% pure young barley grass na walang halo, walang fillers, chemicals, or kahit anong preservatives. It is 100% organic, FDA certified, kaya you can be sure that it's very, very safe. SBG has been in the market since 2014, kaya proven and tested na by hundreds of thousands of users. At bukod sa napakarami ng natulungan, marami na rin itong naging awards. It has already attained the super brand status and was recently awarded as the #1 organic food supplement by Legacy Awards in 2023. Ano bang meron kay Salveo? Bakit napakarami na nitong natulungan?